In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert WhatsApp voice messages to text, okay? Let's get started without wasting so much time, because in this channel, we don't waste our viewers' time, okay? Open WhatsApp. Then you will see this place for settings. Click on settings. Then now click on settings here, the three dots there. Then what you want to do next is click on chats, okay? After clicking on chats, you will see various options here: theme, default chat theme, and enter is send, and everything here. Now what you want to do here is click on voice message transcripts. Now click on choose language, then choose English, because most of the voice messages are all obviously in English. Then click setup now. Okay, now you can see I'm downloading the transcript of my voice messages. After setting this up, any voice message that you receive will be automatically translated to text, so you can just read it instead of listening to it. Thank you guys for watching. If you found help in this video, make sure to like it and subscribe to my channel for more tips like this. Until next time, peace out.